Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you two new functions which I have added to the bot at the request of two viewers. This video deals with general questions that have arisen regarding the handling and installation of the bot. The new functions to simply like posts, which I added at the request of the user slkroot. And finally, the new function to automatically like stories of people you follow. This function was requested by the user exterlif999. Thank you for your feedback, and let's start with the questions. Some users have had problems installing the bot. To avoid any problems on the part of the operating system where you want to start the bot, simply start the bot on a virtual machine with Windows 10 or 11. Then simply carry out the installation process as I showed you in the last video. The GitHub link can be found in this video as well as in the last video in the video description. I have simplified the code of the bot, tidied it up and checked all functions, as some time has passed since the last video. Everything works fine, and there should be no further problems. Please understand that some functions may fail over time, as Instagram changes the page structure, and unfortunately not all functions can be generalized with the page access. If something doesn't work, please let me know in the comments. And with that, let's move on to the first new feature. The like_posts function allows you to simply like posts of a hashtag. In the code you can see that not every post is liked, otherwise the probability increases that your account will be identified as a bot and blocked. Now we start the bot as usual by going to the project directory, entering the command and copying the URL into the browser. As always, enter your username, password, and hashtags and click on Like Posts. The bot then opens and likes the posts of the hashtag. While the bot is working, you will receive constant status updates via the console to the right of the input field. As soon as the bot is finished, it closes automatically. Thanks for the feedback, and I hope this new feature will help you. And that brings us to the next new feature, the automated liking of stories from users you follow. This function is more complex in terms of its functionality, as more individual steps are required for automation. Once we have finally arrived at the first story, only the user's first story is liked, and the bot clicks on continue until either no new story appears or a story from another user follows. This method again serves to imitate the natural behavior of users and thus minimize the risk of being recognized as a bot. But just take a look. Here, too, we execute the usual command, enter our data, select the function, and press start. When the bot is finished, it closes automatically as usual. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This series is intended to show what can be achieved with the help of automation. Each user should decide for themselves how and for what purposes this application is used. As always, I would really appreciate a like or a subscription so that you don't miss any more videos. Feel free to share feedback or new ideas for improving the application in the comments. And as always at the end of a video, I wish you a great day.